Alright, welcome back to the Thomas Rocket Car. We're going to go ahead and get the tunnel started to get fit in here. So let me climb on in. Hoping today to get the tunnel pieces all welded in. Start making the floor pans, and then before I go in for the night, I can primer all inside of here. Let this dry overnight so we can weld the top on. So I'm probably blocking the shot here, but not a lot of places to stand right now. So I got this panel. Come around. I'm going to move you around to the other side so everybody can see from the same angle. Let's do that. Come on over here. Ooh, much better. Much better. I got this fitted up pretty good. I got to make a little adjustment in this corner. Just trim it a little bit here. So if I can get I got to back it off. Whoa! Awesome. So I'm just going to take a little corner out of this here. Yoink! So I had some trouble with the sound, so just imagine welding sounds going on now, and it should be restored in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Alright, well, the first piece welded in. I tacked the second one in because I don't have any way to really clamp it. Now, where did my hammer get off to now? Where's my hammer? It's down there. Come here. Come here. And there we go. It's just that easy. Got the tunnel all done. It's all tapped and tacked all the way around, top and bottom. All dialed in. Shuffle on over to this side and we'll slam this side in. Alright, here we go. Got the tunnel piece for this side. One thing you're probably wondering about this piece of PVC. Well, it goes here in the floor. There was a rear seat heater that was ducted with a piece of like fabric pipe, and I'm going to remake it here. There's a nipple that goes through the front of the floor to the engine, and then I've got the receiver back here, so I'm making it out of PVC pipe. It's just going to float in the floor, and then this will get welded back in. So I had to put it in first because it's too long to get it in otherwise, so that's going to be in here floating. That's going to be in here floating around while I get this going, but let's see if we can fit this side. Alright, I'm going to go down below and tack and tap it from the bottom. Forgot to hit the play button. Take 2! Alright, here we go. Got the tunnel all done. Got my rear seat heater mocked up here. But the whole floor and belly pan is now complete. The tunnel, the belly pan, everything's complete now. So the next step is get all this ground down and get this wiped out and vacuumed out, and then I'm going to primer the whole inside of this thing, and then I'll start cutting the sheet metal and do back to here, 2 pieces back to here, and then we'll be in the home stretch. All I got to do is a toe board, a little bit of work on the firewall, put the trunk floor in, patch the quarters, and it'll pretty much be done. So I appreciate everybody watching. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, like. You can go to Instagram, hashtag Thomas Rocket Car. I got two cameras here, I'm like looking at both, but you can go to Instagram, hashtag Thomas Rocket Car. You're getting in the home stretch in this project, but I got a lot more things coming up. I got a Super Duty build I'm going to be doing. I got my Model A hot rod truck I'm going to be working back on. I got another Model A hot rod truck with a nail head in it that I'm going to be working on. I got a 37 Ford I'm going to be working on. So we got a lot of projects coming up. Or I got a lot of projects coming up. All kinds of things here. So if you like projects like this, fabrication, restorations, I'm going to be doing those on this channel. So tell your friends, please subscribe. Y'all come back now, you hear? Alright, let me out of this thing. Alright, just want to take a minute and talk about where I've been getting the metal for the Thomas Rocket Car, including this 18 gauge steel that I'm going to be using to make the floor. Express Metals Outlet. Go to their website, I'll put it in the description below. And they have like a supermarket for metal. You can get everything you need, surplus or prime stock at a good price. So go ahead and check them out below and appreciate their support on the Thomas Rocket Car. The next question is going to be, how am I going to stand through this side? I'm going to have to be kneeling on this, I guess. It's going to be tricky.
My knowledge of imaginary cities with an imaginary family is in fact lacking, so hey, what are you really doing for Christmas?